Welcome to People Love Process. I'm going to cheat here a little bit. I have some notes, but this is the fourth creative challenge invite video, meaning I'm going to tell you a little bit about what it's all about. This one is going to be about creating a positive negative design. And nope, wrong side. If you look over here, you can see this kind of alien motif. Now, this was a recent People of Process movie using the shape building tool, but somebody suggested that the next creative challenge would be to build this design. And the nice thing is unlike other challenges we've done up to this point, I actually have a video on PPLLUV that you can watch that shows how to go about doing this. And that way you can watch that first and then try this challenge and submit your art. And I think you'll be able to do a better job. So the name of that movie is Creating with the Shape Builder Tool. And you can find that within the last month or so. So just look for this artwork. It'll be on the thumbnail, and watch that movie. And then you can go ahead and participate in this upcoming challenge and submit your design. Now, positive negative design, this came about from art school. I went to art school at Seattle Art Institute, started out as the Burnley School of Art before it got bought out by the Art Institute, but I had a teacher for design called Fred Griffin. Now, of course, when you're a stupid young student, you think you know everything. And I thought, this guy looks like my grandfather. He had a white beard, white hair. He wasn't that old. He wasn't that old at all, actually. I just thought he was old. Over the years, I've kept in contact with Fred and Anita. Fred passed away about 6 or 7 years ago now, but I still talk to his wife, Anita. And she was a teacher there too, a great teacher. They were kind of an odd couple. Fred was an oddball in terms of some of the stuff he did, but he made class very interesting. Now, I had nothing to compare art school to because I'd never been to art school before. And so the way he taught graphic design is he had what he called his Griffin design code. And these were just a bunch of design principles with graphic illustrations to demonstrate them. And we had to go through all of them, create our own notebook with each of those represented. And one of them was positive negative. So that's kind of where I came up with doing this. It goes back to my time in art school where we had to do things like this. Now, it's a lot harder to do it back then because we did it with cut paper, and this you can do it all digitally, and it's quite a bit of fun. Now, you have until June 25th to create a positive negative design, and you can send me a source file or a PDF of your final design, and I'll review and provide feedback on it in my solution video. And the email to send your final art to can be found below in the description. So once you finish your positive negative design, by all means submit it. The more the merrier. And you have until, again, June 25th. Remember, if you ever go back and do a previous challenge you missed out on, go ahead and send me what you created, even if it's an old challenge, because I'll share it in the next solution video. So if you've missed the previous 3, then you want to do one, still do it, still submit it. And the email is always in the description for each movie. And that way, I'll just add it to the latest creative challenge and can review the art that way. Everybody gets to see what you create. It's kind of cool. So I hope you participate in this challenge, and I look forward to what you create in a positive, negative style. But before you jump on the creative challenge, make sure and go watch the video where I created the art you see right here. And once again, that video name is Creating with the Shape Builder tool. And again, you have until June 25th to submit your designs for review. Thank you for watching. I look forward to what you create.